everyone. Today I'm diving into the Southern African Development Communities, or SADC, recent activities in 2024, focusing on the pivotal role of Zimbabwe's President Mnangagwa. So, let's break it down. First up, the extraordinary summit to be held this year, chaired by Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa is assuming the chairmanship and everyone is shocked. How come Sadc will give him chairmanship with bad record set on last year's elections? The leaders from SADC countries, including Malawi, Mozambique and Zambia, came in February together with a set of ambitious goals. They discussed everything from multi-sectoral cholera response plans and regional collaborations to strengthen public health surveillance. The aim: to control the spread of cholera magnified by natural disasters and climatic effects. But they didn't stop at health. Understanding the importance of infrastructure, the summit endorsed significant investments in water, sanitation and hygiene, WASH for short, and disaster risk reduction programs. These are essential to prevent future outbreaks and ensure the well-being of millions. Moving on to a more recent event, just a few hours ago, President Mnangagwa played host to SADC Executive Secretary Elias Magosi. Their discussions focused on economic development, regional security and climate resilience. El Niño's impact has been harsh, exacerbating drought conditions and threatening food security. The solutions discussed: enhancing agricultural productivity, strengthening regional security against rising terrorist threats, and fortifying climate resilience. It's all about creating a sustainable future for SADC nations. And here's something exciting. Zimbabwe is set to host a unique SADC summit in August, where regional heads of state won't just pass through, they'll interact with citizens and showcase Zimbabwe's mega projects. A fantastic initiative for transparency and engagement, don't you think? In conclusion, under Mnangagwa's leadership, SADC is taking bold steps towards addressing some of the most pressing issues in the region, from health crises like cholera to economic stability and climate challenges. It's about creating a resilient and prosperous Southern Africa. That's all for today's breakdown. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, understanding these regional dynamics is key to supporting and developing policies that affect millions of lives. See you in the next one.